Health status confirmed. Records updated.
Inside each inspection, hidden health indicators determine reliable production standards for every batch.
Conditioning cycle confirmed. Begin rotation.
Thickness profile remains within tolerance.
Here, dimensional stability protects premium quality before automated precision systems evaluate every surface. Strength analysis has started.
Here, measured strength confirms long-term durability before premium leather reaches demanding global applications.
Here, careful breeding protects future quality long before industrial processing ever begins.
Morning checks begin before the heat arrives.
Every animal follows today's nutrition schedule.
Now, balanced nutrition shapes leather strength and meat quality through natural biological growth.
Health status confirmed. Records updated.
Inside each inspection, hidden health indicators determine reliable production standards for every batch. Preparation keeps transport calm and efficient. Everything looks stable. Proceed carefully.
Easy pace. Keep moving forward.
Documentation verified. Shipment officially approved.
Here, verified records create accountability across international food and leather supply chains.
Safe journey. We'll meet you there.
Beyond secure gate facades,
Keep steady. Plenty of space ahead.
Receiving inspection complete. Continue forward.
within structured inspections, unnoticed details determine.
Sanitation verified. Entry approved.
Receiving line is operating normally.
Documentation matches today's receiving schedule.
Now, verified documentation protects traceability across complex international manufacturing and export operations daily.
Pressure remains within operating range.
Cleaning cycle performing as expected.
At this stage, cleanliness determines reliable consistency throughout every subsequent transformation process ahead.
Beyond visible surfaces, automated vision detects subtle differences impossible through routine observation alone.
Here, synchronized flow prevents hidden inefficiencies before demanding industrial operations officially commence today.
Queue spacing remains exactly on target.
Sanitation cycle operating normally.
Beyond sanitation barriers, contamination risks decline before sophisticated manufacturing systems assume complete control.
Everyone knows today's responsibilities.
At this stage, coordinated teamwork reduces operational uncertainty before precision processing officially begins together. Within moments, systematic cleaning establishes foundations supporting accurate sorting and dependable manufacturing quality.
Good morning. Welcome inside.
Access approved. Continue inside.
Protective equipment confirmed.
Inside preparation rooms, protective equipment quietly safeguards workers throughout demanding industrial operations ahead.
Final hygiene check completed.
Under hygienic controls, contamination risks decline before precision manufacturing processes officially commence together.
Production floor fully operational.
Across organized workstations, disciplined preparation enables consistent performance.
Control systems report stable conditions.
Now, continuous monitoring strengthens reliability across interconnected manufacturing systems.
To avoid.
Every service line follows strict maintenance intervals.
Beyond visible machinery, dependable infrastructure.
Preparation department, straight ahead.
At this stage, organized transitions preserve efficiency before specialized industrial equipment assumes complete responsibility.
Within controlled environments, meticulous preparation establishes dependable foundations before precision cleaning operations begin.
All departments remain synchronized.
Now, coordinated communication minimizes delays before demanding industrial procedures require uninterrupted operational precision.
Initial cleaning sequence has officially begun.
Water pressure remains perfectly balanced. Spray pattern remains fully calibrated.
Water quality meets every specification.
Inside filtered systems, water purity quietly influences both safety and manufacturing consistency ahead.
Drying performance remains within target.
Within controlled airflow, remaining moisture declines before optical systems evaluate every production batch.
Sorting sequence remains perfectly synchronized.
Now, intelligent routing improves manufacturing efficiency while minimizing unnecessary material handling throughout production.
Verification confirms inspection accuracy.
Beyond automation, experienced observation reinforces confidence before increasing.
Preparation phase successfully completed.
Under disciplined preparation, every clean batch enters transformation with dependable quality and traceability.
Final inspection confirms consistent preparation.
Here, experienced verification strengthens confidence before irreversible industrial transformation officially begins today.
Core processing line is now active.
Both production lines are synchronized.
Application rate remains perfectly stable.
All monitored values remain compliant.
Under continuous monitoring, environmental stability safeguards precision across every critical manufacturing operation today.
Attempting to search free.
Core processing remains fully synchronized. Thickness profile remains within tolerance.
Cooling remains consistently stable.
Transformation line now receiving production.
At this stage, prepared materials enter specialized systems where controlled transformation creates lasting value.
Conditioning cycle confirmed. Begin rotation.
Inside verified workflows, complete trace accountability throughout every network.
Transformation equipment now online.
At this stage, controlled machinery begins creating premium materials through disciplined industrial precision every cycle.
Transformation process is operating normally.
Solution ratios remain fully verified.
Now measured formulations ensure consistent performance while minimizing unnecessary variation throughout every production cycle.
Temperature remains within operational limits.
Beyond visible equipment, stable temperatures protect structural integrity during complex
Conditioning sequence progressing normally.
Inside conditioning systems, controlled balance prepares leather for precise dimensional stabilization and finishing.
Environmental controls remain fully compliant.
Frame tension remains perfectly balanced.
Here, balanced tension preserves natural structure before controlled drying permanently stabilizes premium leather.
Humidity remains within specification.
Now, regulated airflow prevents distortion while preserving consistent material.
Verification confirms stable operation.
Automation systems are ready.
Here, dimensional stability protects premium quality before automated precision systems evaluate every surface.
Automation sequence is fully operational.
Cycle timing remains perfectly synchronized.
Here, robotic precision eliminates inconsistency before it.
Beyond repetitive lifting, automated handling minimizes variation.
Transfer accuracy remains.
Inspection results remain consistently compliant.
Here, automated inspection discovers hidden variation before intelligent sorting optimizes. Dimensional accuracy remains fully compliant.
Traceability records remain complete. Beyond daily inspections, predictive monitoring reduces unexpected downtime before critical finishing operations commence.
Tool exchange completed successfully. Automation performance remains stable. At this stage, automated precision delivers consistent results before expert finishing defines premium product.
Air filtration remains fully effective.
Now filtered airflow minimizes contamination before precision finishing.
Production records synchronized successfully.
Beyond machinery, synchronized information preserves complete traceability before rigorous finishing inspections begin immediately.
At this stage, refined craftsmanship combines with automation to achieve exceptional premium manufacturing.
Precision finishing has officially begun. Surface pressure remains perfectly balanced.
Now, uniform polishing enhances appearance before precision inspection verifies every finished surface carefully.
Surface finish meets premium standards.
Finishing process remains fully compliant.
Inspection confirms premium finish.
Verification sequence operating normally.
Inside controlled verification, continuous monitoring protects product integrity.
Documentation remains fully complete.
Here, complete documentation strengthens traceability before scientific laboratory testing validates every certified production batch.
Calibration verified and recorded. Now, verified calibration guarantees trustworthy measurements before official quality certification proceeds without uncertainty.
Identification matches every record.
What are you doing?
Cross-disciplined preparation ensures its dependable scientific. Scientific testing now begins.
Strength analysis has started.
Here, measured strength confirms long-term durability before premium leather reaches demanding global applications. Samples of analysis. Beyond careful preparation, laboratory verification strengthens food safety before
Laboratory records updated successfully.
environmental conditions remain stable.
Under stable conditions, reliable measurements maintain scientific integrity before certification decisions become officially documented.
Dimensions certified successfully. Now, certified dimensions guarantee manufacturing consistency before premium products receive official quality endorsement globally.
Analytical review completed successfully. Final review confirms compliance.
Batch officially approved for packaging.
At this stage, certified approval authorizes secure packaging before.
Official certification confirms compliance before premium products enter secure commercial packaging operations worldwide.
Final certification approved. Traceability confirmed for release.
Now, complete traceability protects accountability before products begin carefully monitored packaging and global distribution.
Packaging sequence now begins.
Within certified facilities, secure packaging protects premium craft.
Packaging alignment remains accurate.
Labels verified and approved.
Now, standardized labeling guarantees complete traceability before protective cartons prepare.
Packing count confirmed. Seal integrity successfully verified.
Here, automated palletizing improves logistic efficiency before protective wrapping secures every shipment for transport.
Warehouse transfer confirmed. Here, organized warehouse routing strengthens inventory accuracy before efficient storage supports dependable global distribution.
Storage location verified.
Inventory records synchronized.
Beyond physical storage, accurate inventory strengthens supply reliability before international dispatch schedules begin promptly.
Inside coordinated logistics, verified documentation prevents shipping delays before final loading operations commence efficiently.
Dispatch documents approved.
Loading inspection completed.
Here, final inspections reduce transportation risks before premium products begin their international journey.
Fleet ready for loading.
Warehouse operations remain on schedule.
Across the organization, coordinated teamwork should be there.
From harvest to shipment, precision transforms natural resources into trusted products, serving customers worldwide.